Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable creating admin dashboards with Supabase in no-code, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To enable creating admin dashboards with Supabase in a no-code environment, follow these steps. First, go to the Supabase website and create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, create a new project by clicking the New Project button. Fill in the required details such as the project name and database password. Select the preferred region for your database and click Create Project. Wait for a few moments while Supabase sets up your new project. After the project is created, navigate to the Database section from the sidebar. In the Database section, click on Table Editor to create your data structure. Create a new table by clicking the New Table button. Define the table name and add columns based on the data you want to store. Ensure you set the appropriate data types for each column, like text, integer, or boolean. Once the table is created, populate it with some sample data for testing. Next, navigate to the Authentication section in the sidebar. Set up authentication providers according to your needs, such as email or social logins. Return to the main dashboard and click on the API section. Here, you'll find the details to connect your Supabase project to a no-code tool. Choose a no-code platform, such as Adalo, Glide, or AppDriver. Follow the specific instructions for connecting Supabase to your chosen no-code platform. In your no-code tool, start creating your admin dashboard layout. Add components like tables, charts, and forms to visualize and manage your data effectively. Link the components to your Supabase tables to enable data interactions. Customize the dashboard according to your requirements, like adding filters or search functionalities. Test the dashboard by performing various actions to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Finally, publish your no-code admin dashboard for use. You have successfully created an admin dashboard with Supabase in a no-code environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.